Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. I made this delicious meal for lunch and I thought to film the process and share with you all. I'm all about easy recipes and healthy meals this year and I hope you're in for it. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. Here I have some fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, which is also known as atarudo, and I have one onion. I'll proceed to chop up the onion, blend the peppers roughly, and I'll also chop up the fresh tomatoes. Here's a big shout out to all my amazing and returning subscribers. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch me. You guys are the absolute best. And if you're stopping by for the first time today, hello, a warm welcome to you. You are the right place. Kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this amazing YouTube family. I promise you, you're going to love it here. You get value for your time. So please hit on that subscribe button to be a part of us and also turn on the post notification so you're among the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Subscription is absolutely free and you're going to get value for your time. So what are you waiting for? Quickly smash the subscribe button. Thank you. My vegetable of choice for today's recipe is green. This is what it looks like. So people call this African spinach here in Nigeria. I've washed this properly and I'll proceed to slice them up. I have one mackerel fish, which is my protein of choice for today's recipe. Feel free to use any protein of choice. You can use chicken, turkey, beef, use whichever one that works for you. I'll cut the fish into my preferred sizes, gut it and wash it properly off camera, and I'll be back to season the fish. To season the fish, I went in with some chopped onion, seasoning cube, and a little salt. Feel free to season the fish or your protein with your favorite spices. I'll add a little water to cook the fish and I'll let it steam on low heat for about 4 minutes because I still want to fry the fish. After about 4 minutes, I'll take out the fish, debone, and proceed to fry the fish. Please guys, I'm active on other social media platforms. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And the name to search for is Oge Anyoko on TikTok, Oge_Anyoko on Facebook and on Instagram. Please guys, do well to check out my pages, follow me, watch my videos, like, share, and leave me beautiful comments in the comment section. If you're a foodie like me or you enjoy switching up your cooking skills, you're someone that enjoy watching food recipes, please check out my other social media platforms because I have videos that are a minute long or less over there and I'm sure you enjoy watching them. I hope to see you guys. Thanks. My fried fish is ready and this is exactly how I want it, golden brown and crisp. I'll take this out from the oil and then reduce the oil because I still want to use it to prepare my sauce. I'm using the same oil because it's infused with a lot of flavors. I've just gone in with my chopped onion. I'll saute that for about 2 minutes until it becomes fragrant. And then I'll go in with my chopped tomatoes and roughly blended peppers. I'll give the tomatoes and peppers a good stir until they combine properly and I'll fry until most of the water content in it dries up. This should take anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes because I don't have a lot. So once it dries up, I'll go in with the rest of my ingredients. After about 5 minutes, this is what it's looking like. You can see that the water content in it has reduced greatly, and it's time for me to go in with my seasoning. I went in very light with seasoning. I added just seasoning cubes and salt, but feel free to add your favorite spices when making yours. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. It shows you're enjoying the recipe, and I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also share it out. Kindly comment where you're watching from in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in my next video. After adding my seasoning, I'll stir that in to combine. I'll fry for an additional 2 minutes, and then I'll add my fried fish back into the sauce. I want the sauce and the fish to mix properly. I want the fish to be infused with the taste of the sauce. I want them to get to know each other really well. So I'll just give that a quick stir, and I'll let it fry for like a minute or two. Our sauce is ready at this point. I just have to add in my vegetables. Vegetable is optional for this recipe. If you don't want to add vegetable, feel free to skip. I'll go in with my spinach or green at this point. Give that a very good stir. Once I've added my spinach, I don't cook for a long time because I don't want to overcook the vegetable. I'll let it simmer for about 2 minutes, and our sauce is ready. My vegetable sauce is ready and it's looking super delicious. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. So my sauce is ready, and I want to pair this delicious sauce with ripe plantains. I brought a pot of water to a boil, and to that I'll add in my plantains and I'll cook until it becomes soft. Feel free to use unripe plantains if that is what you prefer. After cooking for about 10 minutes, my plantains are ready, and it's time to dish this delicious goodness into my plate. We've come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video to get it to a wider reach. Share to your family and friends. Leave me your beautiful comments in the comments section, and please subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you all for stopping by, and I would love to see you all in my next one. Bye.